Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well, and today we are going to break down our plan. Let's remember what was our plan for 2025. We had $1,000 budget and our plan was to make sales on Amazon Co UK and on TikTok application in United Kingdom. So let's break it down fast. First, what are we gonna do? We are going to find some profitable products to sell, and to get some fast results we need some applications, we need some data centers such as Helium 10 and Fastmos. Helium 10 we are going to use for Amazon and Fastmos we are going to use for TikTok. And addition to those, I'm using exploitingtopics.com. They give a lot of important data. I suggest you to check out exploitingtopics.com. So what are we gonna check out in Helium 10 and also Fastmos? The products we need to find should both fit on Amazon and also in TikTok, because we are going to sell those products in both marketplaces. So what are we gonna check while we are working? We are going to check the competition of the products. So how is my structure for this plan? First, I'm going to get into Fastmos and check top selling products, and then I'm gonna copy them and paste them to Amazon Co UK. I'm gonna check out the competition if it really sells also in Amazon. I'm gonna check the volume of this product, if it sells fast, if it sells a lot or not. And also I need to make some forecasts, which I'm going to use exploiting topics, and also I have to make some predictions. Guys, while I'm shooting this video, this is 30th of December, which means we are just out of Q4, and which means there was Christmas, and Christmas sales was whole different than all year. So we will see a lot of data, we will see millions of sales, but in that period, let's say in Q2 when our products reach to UK, potential top selling products might be different. I mean, it will be different, so we have to be very careful on it. And then what we need to do, we need to source products from somewhere, right? And we are going to use Alibaba.com. In Alibaba.com there are millions of Chinese wholesalers, as you know, and we're gonna source products from them, we're gonna import from them, and of course after we get offers from our potential sources, we need to check out our profit, if the product is still profitable or not, or if we can fund them or not, because as you know we only have $10,000 budget, which is not a huge amount to get a lot of products, and our plan was to get 3 different products in 3 different categories actually. So I guess we need to find $1, $2 products to get some quantity, right? But we're gonna find out. I'm sure it's easy. Don't worry guys, we're gonna do it together. And of course, if you wanna get the materials in UK and we wanna sell it in UK, we have to launch a company. Then we're gonna launch a company together, guys. To be honest, I haven't launched any company yet in UK, but I have launched a lot of companies in other countries, so I'm pretty sure it will be easy for us. After launching company, we're gonna get our pro forma invoices through Alibaba, and we are going to make them ship to UK to some fulfillment centers. Guys, as you know, I'm living in Turkey, not in UK. I don't have a warehouse over there. I'm not even sure I'm going to rent a warehouse, because maybe my first plan, and to cut some expenses, I don't want any fulfillment centers other than Amazon and TikTok. My first plan will be directly send the materials from China to directly to Amazon centers or TikTok fulfillment center. But if I cannot do it, if there is some problem, of course I will need to check out some fulfillment centers, and I need to rent some space for myself. So we'll also check it out later. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys like it. If you like the information I gave you, please push the like button, and also of course please subscribe me. Alright guys, new videos will come soon about those topics. We're gonna go step by step, no worries at all. So happy new year, and until next video, stay tuned.